Hello, my monarchs. I know it's been a hot minute, but I am back. I hope you guys are ready for some nail videos coming. Starting off with cleaning my cuticles with my cuticle pusher, getting all that nasty stuff out of there. I'm gonna be completely honest, I haven't cleaned my cuticles in a while, so that's why they look like that. No excuse, but just an FYI. I'm grabbing my filer and filing my nails. Don't forget to dust off. I'm using this kit I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below if I can find it. I have the nail glue, the UV light, and also the nail tips. Using my electric nail filer to file down the nail tips. Grabbing the nail glue and only applying to the tip of the nail. Apply a good coat, and with the edge, add the leftovers. Press down firmly and put under UV light. Don't do that. Make sure you have your UV light turned on before you actually have your nail ready or set, so that way the nail glue doesn't dry out. Here are the nails. Using my Kiss nail tip cutter to cut them down to my desired length. Now, I did prep my nails off camera. What I did was use my electric nail filer to file the cuticle area so that they look more natural. I also filed the edges to smooth them out and make them straight. Dust off all that residue from filing down. And I also grabbed my buffer to buff them out. Don't forget to dust away. Here's how they look like after all that prepping. I used some spray hand sanitizer to make sure they were extra good. And these are the colors I will be using for this Halloween set. I will be using Camelot on my ring and middle finger, and then using black on the rest of the nails. Now for the fun part. I say fun, but I'm not an artist, so it ain't that easy as it looks. Using my dotting tool to create the body of what it's going to be, a spider, I'm trying to do on my middle finger. Next, I will be grabbing this thin brush to create the legs. Do spiders have 6 or 8 legs? I kind of forgot, but just wait, just wait. So scratch that. I didn't really like how it was coming off, so I removed it. Now we're doing a corner spider web. Should be easier, I hope. Decided that I wouldn't let the spider win, so I wanted to try again. Looks great, right? Please tell me yes. Using my gel top coat on all my nails and curing them after. These are the finished nails. Let me know what you guys think of them, if you think I totally webbed it or not. Haha, get it? Spider webbed or not. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!